Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the one of the most popular trading strategy, and in this video I will show you how to use moving average proper. But the most importantly, I will show you the biggest mistakes what traders do in this strategy. So if you're ready, let's go. So first, we open our pocket auction trading terminal. The first step, of course, is choosing the right trading pairs. The moving average crossover strategy can really help with that. Well, set the timeline to 1 hour and trade. We will trade today with $100, maybe more. You never know. Yes, after this, let's go to the indicators section and set up our moving averages. For the first moving average, I'm setting the period to 20. No changes here. In styles, you can pick whatever you like. Then, I'm adding a second moving average, adjusting the period to 15. Yes. Remember these two numbers, 20 and 15, and here I will change the color. Now let's break down how the strategy actually works. We're looking for crossovers when the two lines intersect. That's where things get interesting. So what exactly is the moving average? It's the trend following indicator that helps smooth our price movements. It can act and support a resistance line. It shows the trend, but today we are using it to spot trend reversals with the moving average crossover. Moving average crossover strategy. Now, here the first mistake that many traders make. Remember this. They see a crossover and immediately think that it is a signal to enter a trade. That's wrong. Crossover is a sign that a trend reversal might be happening, but it doesn't mean you should jump in right away. Remember, we'll always trade with the trend, and this tool helps us identify when a trend is shifting. Here's the second big mistake. Traders see a crossover and assume it's a guaranteed signal. This strategy, it's not about signal, it's indicators. Okay, but let me show you in certain periods, the trend goes flat and you get multiple crossovers that don't actually mean anything. It will make just confusing. Let me check. I want to show you some good crossovers. Here, I recommend watching the market for 5-7 minutes after crossover. Now you can be sure that let's pick a right there. Yeah, we see crossover, a good one. And you see that after this, 5, 7, 8, 10 minutes. It's also another mistake that some traders set the 3 or more moving average lines. Don't do this, at least for this strategy. It's a mistake. And patience is everything in trading. You guys already know it. Alright, let's try placing our first trade. Let me just find a good spot. I see a good crossover here. And you see it's already enough time happens after crossovers. So we're waiting for trend shift. Let's count the candles. It's about 7 or 8. And we already see the new trend happens. Let me check. Yeah, I think it's 7 or 8. Yeah, it's good signal, and I put 100, and I will put another 100, because we already see a couple of candles, and we see the new trend. Signals look solid, so we're going. All the trades we'll make today for 2 minutes. We can see that trend shifted. We can see that this is a good symbol. Remember, 7, 8, sometimes 10 minutes after crossover, wait, and trend will shift. We going good. And there it is, guys. You see, both trades closed in profit. The strategy worked, but we will test more. Now we will test more. This is important. Now let's look for another pair to reinforce what we've learned. Finding a good crossover takes time, so never rush your trades. Let me check. Let me check. Here is a great example. We've had an uptrend, then a crossover, and after that the trend dropped. You see, it dropped significantly. That was a clear trend, and this is a clear trend reversal. Now look here, we have another crossover. It's just new trend forming. So what the strategy tell us that this should lead to a new downtrend. But here's the key: don't rush it. Wait a few candles. Right now, we've had how much? 5, 6 candle signs the crossover, but the market still looks a bit sideways. This is another dangerous thing. Be careful with sideways trends. Yeah, it's better to wait for confirmation to see if the trend really starts moving in the expected direction. All right, I think this is a good entry point. I will put 200 in trades. In downtrend, waiting for trend shift. The only thing that concerns me is that the market might be forming a range which could confuse our signals. See how the candles are getting smaller and smaller? I don't like this. That's a sign that volatility is decreasing. Try to trend just on good volatility pairs. Pairs with good volatility, I mean. Okay. You see? Yes, we'll open another trade for 400. I hope it will work now. I still believe that trend supposed to reverse here after this strategy. But you see, I think we opened the deals a bit earlier than we need. Rule number 1, you remember this. Wait after crossover. Don't take it like a straight signal. Wait 7, 8, sometimes 10 candles. After this, trend will reverse. But be sure that the pair is right, and be sure that this is not a wrong trend. Unfortunately, but it's just a trading. You know what we do? Haha, we'll make 1,000 deal now. Let me show you that this strategy is working. Even we lose now 600, but one good deal with new trend will give us profit. And it looks like a crossover, guys. It looks like a new thread forming for me. Yeah, we're all humans, nobody perfect. I make mistakes with previous 2 trades, to be honest, just because I was too early, before the trend start forming. Guys, patience is everything in trading. But learn from my mistakes to not make your own. And there, yes, you have a guess. Our forecast was correct, and this strategy worked exactly as expected. I'm placing one final 200 trade just to show you that the earlier losses happened simply because we entered too soon. I show you the mistake. Trend reversal, take time, It's like fishing or hunting, you know. You have to wait for the right moment before making a move. Remember this. Check the chart at least 3-4 crossovers before to see how the pair reacts on these crossovers. Yes, it's good. Another winning trade. Guys, I think it's enough for today. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Trade with the trend, trade for profit, and don't be afraid of losses. If you follow the strategy correctly, you always know how to handle them. Yes, follow me on Telegram and I share them the daily trading signals in real time. You really enjoy this company. And yep, put the likes, follow this channel, and see you in the next one. Peace.